There are many opportunities in network marketing to help you reach your life goals. You can work from home and enjoy a steady cash stream while setting your own hours and doing what you love most to earn an income. But if you're like the majority of people who join a team of online network marketers, you probably aren't sure how or where to get started with internet and network marketing. Here are 5 proven strategies to get you started. 1. Start your own network marketing website. With your own network marketing website, you can build a profitable business model for your team. Your website can be used to provide information to newcomers as well as update your team members on a regular basis. A website can be used to enhance offline network marketing as well. For instance, you can print your web address on your business cards, letterhead, envelopes, postcards, and in printed ads. Those interested in your proposal can visit your website for more information. Your website can contain almost unlimited information that will help convert prospects into team members. 2. Start your own e-zine. An e-zine is an electronic newsletter sent by email to a database of subscribers. An e-zine builds trust and establishes you as an expert. At your website, you can set up a subscription form for your e-zine. Those who sign up are obviously interested in your offer, so you can send emailings to them weekly and use the e-zine to get them back to your website. This is a great way to turn visitors to your site into network marketing partners. 3. Answer questions in forums and discussion groups. With forums, you cannot merely advertise your business, but you can answer questions and include a link to your email or website. Find work from home forums online that are related to your network marketing business or that might cater to your target audience. Observe and read the questions and answers for a while before posting to get a feel for the people and atmosphere. Then, answer those questions pertaining to your type of business in a truly helpful manner. The person asking the question might visit your website as well as any others who might read the post. It's a great way to meet new people and market your business. 4. Create network marketing excitement. Another thing you can do online is to create network marketing excitement for your team members. At your own website, you can hold contests for your team members, random giveaways, provide hosted space for your team members to create their own profiles or mini websites, do feature bios on your team members, and more. These will motivate your network marketing team to work harder and increase their cash stream, and yours, while having fun. 5. Content writing about the internet and network marketing. One of the most powerful ways to promote your website is to add valuable content articles to your website on a regular basis. Articles should be targeted about network marketing and working from home. They should provide your target readers with helpful information. At the conclusion of each article, you can include a signature bio that will lead the reader to your sales pages. Add articles to your website on a regular basis and submit articles to free article directories for maximum results. Articles will help attract search engine traffic to your website without any cost to you. There are also many other methods of internet promotion for network marketing such as e-zine advertising, banner advertising, contextual or paid search engine ads, free traffic exchanges, and affiliate programs. Whether you are part of a global resorts travel business, a profitable reverse funnel system, or another successful business model, you'll be amazed at the results when you combine all of the promotion methods above for the internet and network marketing. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.